want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Sparky. He's my little Papillon mix. This is my little buddy right here. You good boy, ain't you, baby? I love you. I love you. You sweet boy. Mwah. He's a good little guy. Good little guy. Yeah, he is. Mwah. Guys, welcome back to Sharpshooter Inc., where we shoot you straight on reviews, unboxings, mystery boxes, Funko Pops, collectibles. If you guys are a collector, and it's fun. It's real fun. It's a lot of fun. Today we got something nice. I've never done this before, but Zobie. Any of y'all familiar with Zobie? They do some mystery boxes. They got autographs with some V-shouts, where as the celebrities autographing your picture for you, they'll do a shout out to you. Their horror boxes are really big. If you're into horror, that's some really nice ones. They got gamer boxes, pop culture boxes. Today we have a box from Zobie. Z-O-B-I-E. You type it into Google, sometimes they want to bring up zombie, but it's Z-O-B-I-E. Check them out. I'll have a link in the description. I'm not an affiliate of them, but hey, I'll let you know where to go get it if you're interested in one. But this box was a special they were running for $15. And then it did cost about $7 in shipping. So a little over $20, right? But it has two replica props. Two replica props. You know, like props from a TV show or a movie, something like that. I'm so excited to find out what's in here. I love collecting things. Okay, we got to get to this because I've been holding on to this for like a week, trying to have a chance to make this video. Batman. See what we got. No idea what's in there. First time ever ordering anything from them, but they have some cool stuff. Nothing to see here. It's a bunch of paper. All right. Let's see what we got. Hey. I'm not sure what this is. It's nice. It's well made. It says Fallen Firefly. If anybody knows what that is, let me know because I'm stumped. I mean, sorry, I don't know at all. But I have no idea what this is. I mean, it's pretty cool, you know. It'd be nice quality. It's nice quality. I mean, you know, something you could wear for sure. I just, you know, don't know what it is. No idea what it is. Okay. I know what this is. Oh my gosh. This sucker is heavy. Heavy. This is, I'm having trouble getting it out, but Captain Marvel. All right. Come on. Gosh, I'm gonna rip this whole, I'm trying to get this out. Rip that whole Ziploc bag up, but who cares? It's trash, right? Check this out. Look how thick that is. It's heavy. Listen. Heavy. It's not cheap junk. I mean, they did very nice with this. Look, no scratch on it. I hope anyway. There is on my table though. Ooh. Might get in trouble for that one. But man, that's, I'm not really sure what those little things on the back are there for, unless it's maybe, I don't see how you would hang it from that. But that's very nice. Very nice. Did y'all like the Captain Marvel movie? I think Brie Larson did a really good job in that role. I know some people had, excuse me, had mixed reviews with it, but you know, I liked it. I thought she did a good job. All right, you're supposed to only have two in here, and that may be it. Crap. I ordered this thing with two, and I get 4 things in it. Now, how good is that? Now, that's a good company right there. I'm going to deal with them more often. They advertise 2 replica props, $15 plus shipping. And then they give you more than you expected. They over-delivered. It reminds me of the book The Go-Giver. If y'all have not read The Go-Giver, I highly recommend y'all read that. That is an awesome book. It really shows you the way to success is not being greedy and trying to get what you can out of people, but by helping people. You know, money is attracted to those who help other people succeed. Very good book. I highly recommend it. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Oh, y'all don't want to hear me ramble the whole time. Dang. It's a big necklace chain. And you know what? I don't know what this is either. Sorry to say. Anybody know what this is? Sorry, but I am stumped on this one as well. It's very nice, and if I knew what it was from, which I am going to look it up, I'm just not familiar with it. So, but man, that's pretty cool. Good quality, too. Good quality. So far, I'm really loving the Captain Marvel emblem. Yeah. Just not sure what that is. Hey, if y'all could tell me what that is, please leave it in the comments. I'm stumped. But this is really cool. I mean, this is nice. That's some, high-end props. I love this one. Absolutely love this one. I've got a couple of Funkos that's signed by Brie Larson of Captain Marvel. My daughter, Alexis, she loves Kong Skull Island. She calls it Big Monkey. She said, Daddy, I want to watch Big Monkey, which is so sweet. I love my daughter. But yeah, it's awesome. Brie Larson did a really good job in it, too. Last thing, what do we got? It's a yo-yo. I have not played with one of these things in years. I would highly embarrass myself if I even tried to do it right now. So I think I'm going to do that off camera. But, nice. I mean, heck, over-delivered, man. Give you something a little extra. That's cool, man. Good job, Zobie. That was really good. Hey, if you would like to give a promotional link to my viewers so they can, maybe save a little money and check out what you offer, hey, please feel free. I don't have to get anything out of it, but if we could pass along some savings to my friends here, that would be awesome. Just trying to help everybody out. But hey, love it. Still not sure about this one either. Falling Fire. If y'all know what these two are, please help me out. Help me out by putting in the description. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share. All of it is very much appreciated. For somebody just starting out, trying to take control of their life. Do something different. Every little bit helps. If I can help you guys out in any way, hey, feel free to let me know. Love y'all. Peace. Stay safe. And good night.